Waiting in queues or for sample collection to get tested for COVID 19 is soon going to be a thing of the past. In light of the extreme pressure on pathology laboratories and subsequent delays in testing for the deadly coronavirus, the Indian Council of Medical Research has approved Coviself, a home testing kit for the same using rapid antigen test. The kit should be applicable and available in the pharmacies by the next week. Now, what is this Coviself testing kit? Priced at only 250 INR, Coviself is India's first home-based testing kit for COVID-19 and has been manufactured by MyLab Discovery Solutions, a Pune-based company. Using the kit takes up only 2 minutes, while the results might take 15 minutes to appear. Notably, individuals who test positive using Coviself can be considered true positives without any requirement of repeat testing. Now, for the symptomatic individuals who test negative are advised to get tested by RT-PCR, given that rats are likely to miss positive cases at times. As per experts, home-based test kits can be useful to detect runaway infection and early detection in places where infection rate is high. These test kits are being developed in developing countries like US and UK, and here is all you need to know about the new testing kit. Now, how to use this Coviself? The test kit comes with a pre-filled extraction tube, a sterile nasal swab, one test card and one biohazard bag. Now to use this test kit, the individual have to first download a home testing mobile app called MyLab Coviself from the Google Play Store, or it is readily available in the Apple Store as well. Now the app provides complete guideline on how to use the testing kit and how to read the test result. Now for the test, you will have to insert the nasal swab in both the nostrils up to 2 to 4 centimeters or until resistance is met. Now roll the swab 4 to 5 times in both the nostrils, then immerse it in pre-filled tube, close the cap of the tube, add 2 drops of liquid from the tube on the testing card and wait for 15 minutes for the results. In general, it will take 5 to 7 minutes to detect a positive case, but it's advised to wait for 15 minutes. Any result taking more than 20 minutes to appear will be considered invalid. Now, how to read the results? Now, there are 2 sections in the test card. One is control and one is the test section. After putting liquid in it, if the bar shows up only at the control section, C, that means the result is negative. And if the bar appears on both the control and test section, that means the virus has been detected and you have been tested positive. After getting tested, you are required to click a picture of the test strip with the same mobile phone which has been used for downloading the mobile app and user registration. The app will capture the test result, which is connected with the ICMR COVID-19 testing portal, where all the data will be eventually stored. The availability of the testing kit will take off load from the testing labs and will also have detect the cases earlier to start the treatment, and obviously it will help the process of testing and the COVID detection pretty feasible and make this pretty comfortable for the entire labs to detect the results quite earlier and like very much faster. So this is all about Coviself. If we get any sort of further information on the same, we'll be updating in this channel. Please stay tuned, subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon, and till then take care, stay safe.